fingernails right now. They're pretty long, they're grown, and these two have come off. I had to take them off and throw because they were hurting me, and this is little injured. I guess I have injured this nail from inside under this fake nail. My original nail is like some injury has happened, so I have to take it off, and I'm gonna show you how you can take this off at home. You don't need to go to any parlor or salon. So let's see how I'm gonna take this off, and if it is useful for you, then please make sure that you hit the like button on this video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया हो तो. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna show you what do you need actually. A nail clipper first of all, then you're gonna need acetone. Sorry for the angle because I have this table and I have kept the camera on top angle, so yeah. So this is acetone, and then you're gonna need some aluminum foil. I have cut them. You're gonna need 10 because you have 10 fingers. So yeah, and then some cotton pads. You can take cotton ball as well if you have, and a nail filer buffer. I have this 4-in-1. You're gonna need this. It's like a sandpaper, but you can get this easily online. I will link it down below if I can find it on Amazon. But you can definitely get this in any beauty store near you, and you need this to, you know, take this off. Then you're gonna need some cuticle oil for your cuticles. Then you're gonna need a nail paint. This is completely optional. If you don't wanna paint your nails, if you wanna just leave them like that, you can leave them. I'm gonna see my condition, like my nails condition first of all. If I think I should go for a nail paint, then I'm gonna put this nail paint. You can take any color, whatever you want. So first, let's just start clipping. So now I'm gonna take this hard side and I'm gonna try and taking this off. Then I'm gonna take some cotton pad and I'm gonna pour acetone. Make sure you literally soak the cotton pad in acetone very nicely. And I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna wrap this around my fingernail. I'm gonna follow the same procedure for all my nails. All the applications are done. I've left these two fingers because I don't think there is any gel polish or there is any acrylic paint on that. I just need to nicely file it and buff it. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for like 30 minutes and then you are gonna see what is next. So I've taken this off and you can see my fingernail is fucking ruined. I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so you can take a cuticle pusher. I can't find mine, so I'm taking this side of the nail cutter. This is gonna work the same. I've just pushed and taken this off, so I'm gonna do this. Because of acetone, this goes softer, so you can easily push this off, like push it forward and take it off. So you can see I have taken off all the nails, as in the fake ones, and I don't like the condition of my nails, so I'm gonna chop them off. So now I'm gonna again buff it up with this, the hard one. And the main thing you have to remember, doing this method and doing this thing at home, you have to buff your nails very, very well. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but you gotta keep doing it. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna wash this with a soap, like a hand wash, and then I'll be back. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take this smoothen outside, like smooth nail surface. So I'm gonna just do that. Once that is done, I'm gonna do this buffing and shine my nails. Okay? So now that's done. I'm gonna quickly polish my nails and then we'll be done. Before that, I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. So guys, it is completely done. You can see so nicely we have done it. The nail extension also we have taken off so nicely with like completely inexpensive way. You don't need to spend a lot of money on anything. You don't need to go and pay more 500 or 1000 rupees for this. You just need one acetone bottle which is of like 40 rupees, and this thing you must be having. If no, then it is also very inexpensive. Cotton pads are also very inexpensive. Nail cutter, every household has nail cutter, and a nail paint, which also everyone has, and foil paper that also you have in your house. So everything you have in your house, and if not, then also it's not at all expensive. It's completely pocket friendly and very easily done within just 45 minutes. So yeah, this is it. So this is it for this video. I hope you must have liked it. And if you have, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Let me know your review about this video in the comment section. And if you want me to do anything else, you can suggest me. I will do that for sure. I'll see you next time in next video. Till the time, you guys be safe, stay home and stay healthy. Love you all. Bye.